If you want to know how to thread your Singer heavy duty sewing machine, you're in the right place. All right, so you can use two different type of threads. You can use the one that you would load up top right there on that little spool holder, or you can use the big spools of thread, which I use. They do have holders for these. I just put it in the back. It holds up fine. When you are working with your machine, you're going to want to make sure you got the right stitch length, the right stitching setting, and then it's just real easy because they are numbered. So you want to go behind the first one right there. So one, you want to make sure it's nice and hooked in. Then you want to go over to two. Again, make sure it is hooked in so everything is nice and secure. If you don't hook these in, you're going to have issues. And then you can set your tension too. And then you're going to go down. Number three is just going straight down. And you're going to hook over for number four. So behind that piece. And then for number five, you're going to make sure that piece is up. So you just turn the knob, make sure it's in the upward position. And then again, hook behind it. So everything is kind of hooked in. It's real easy, real simple. Then you'll go straight down. Number six, you're going to want to start to hook these neat little pieces. So the first piece is directly under. It's hard to see it, but you'll be able to feel it. You just hook that right around the back of there. And then the same thing right above the needle by where you can take the needle off. You're going to want to hook the thread behind there too. That one you can see better. Then you're going to want to thread your needle from the front. Put that in there, and then you are done threading your machine. It is so easy, so simple. Pull your thread through again from the front, latch it through the bottom there, and then my bobbin is already pulled through. But if your bobbin wasn't pulled through, it's real easy. You just turn that foot again, and you can see it kind of loops in the bottom there, and it pulls up that thread. So you can just pull your thread, and it'll pull it. So always make sure to leave a tail too on your bobbin, so that you can just pull those through. Everything is pulled through behind. You'll put your pressure feet down when you're ready to start sewing, and it's that simple.